A scripting or script language is a programming language for a special runtime environment that automates the execution of tasks. The tasks could alternatively be executed one by a human operator. Scripting languages are often interpreted rather than compiled. Primitives are usually the elementary tasks or API calls, and the language allows them to be combined into more programs. Environments that can be automated through scripting include software applications, web pages within a web browser, usage of the shells of operating systems, embedded systems, as well as numerous games. A scripting language can be viewed as a domain-specific language for a particular environment. In the case of scripting an application, it is also known as an extension language. Scripting languages are also sometimes referred to as very high-level programming languages, as they operate at a high level of abstraction, or as control languages, particularly for job control languages on mainframes. The term scripting language is also used loosely to refer to dynamic high-level general-purpose interpreted languages, such as Perl, PowerShell, Python, and TC, with the term script often used for small programs in such languages, or in domain-specific languages such as the text processing languages SED and awk. Some of these languages were originally developed for use within a particular environment, and later developed into portable domain-specific or general-purpose languages. Conversely, many general-purpose languages have dialects that are used as scripting languages. This article discusses scripting languages in the narrow sense of languages for a specific environment. The spectrum of scripting languages ranges from very small and highly domain-specific languages to general-purpose programming languages used for scripting. Standard examples of scripting languages for specific environments include Bash, for the Unix or Unix-like operating systems, ECMA script. In other games like Wes North, the variety of actual games played by players are scripts written by other users. Typical scripting languages are intended to be very fast to learn and write in, either as short source code files or interactively in a read-eval-print loop. This generally implies relatively simple syntax and semantics. Typically, a script is executed from start to finish as a script, with no explicit entry point. For example, it is uncommon to characterize Java as a scripting language because of its lengthy syntax and rules about which classes exist in which files, and it is not directly possible to execute Java interactively, because source files can only contain definitions that must be invoked externally by a host application or application launcher. This piece of code intended to print Hello World does nothing as main is not declared in Hello World class, although the one below would be useful. In the example above, main is defined and so this can be invoked by the launcher, although this still cannot be executed interactively. In contrast, Python allows the definition of some functions in a single file, or to avoid functions altogether and use imperative programming style, or even use it interactively. This one line of Python code prints Hello World. No declarative statement like main is required here. A scripting language is usually interpreted from source code or bytecode. By contrast, the software environment the scripts are written for is typically written in a compiled language and distributed in machine code form. Scripting languages may be designed for use by end users of a program, end-user development, or maybe only for internal use by developers, so they can write portions of the program in the scripting language. Scripting languages typically use abstraction, a form of information hiding, to spare users the details of internal variable types, data storage, and memory management. Scripts are often created or modified by the person executing them, but they are also often distributed, such as when large portions of games are written in a scripting language. Notably the Google Chrome T-Rex game. Early mainframe computers were non-interactive, instead using batch processing. IBM's job control language is the archetype of languages used to control batch processing. The first interactive shells were developed in the 1960s to enable remote operation of the first time-sharing systems, and these used shell scripts. which controlled running computer programs within a computer program. The shell. Calvin Moores in his track language is generally credited with inventing command substitution. The ability to embed commands in scripts that when interpreted insert a character string into the script. Multics calls these active functions. Louis Poisson wrote an early processor for command scripts called RUNCOM for CTSS around 1964. Stuart Madnock at MIT wrote a scripting language for IBM's CMS in 1966. He originally called this processor command LUT.